Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 10X Lite, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now this process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you don't know. So if I lock the device, you should be able to see I do have a pattern set, and I'll progress from here as though I don't actually know it. So to get started, hold power key and select power off. And once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up, both of them at the same time. So let's do that right now. So as you can see, after the Honor logo appears, you can let go after a couple of seconds, and this will boot you into the recovery mode. So from here, as you can see, we have a couple options. We have reset, restart, clean data, update mode, and save mode. We're looking for clear data, so simply tap on it, then select factory reset, and in here, you all need to do is type in the letter, or not letter, but word yes to confirm your factory reset. So YES, and then select factory reset, and this automatically begins. Give it a second, and once it's finished, it only gets like, I believe, 20% or 30 maybe, something like that. There we go, so it got to 40. So once it's finished, all you need to do now is just go back and restart the device, and this will continue the process in the background. So it will take a little bit longer for the device to turn on, but once the process is complete, you should be greeted with the Android setup screen. Now I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.